Looking for the perfect seven-seater? Today we pit two contenders against each other, the Citroen C3 Aircross and the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. Both pack some serious punch, but which one's worth your money? Let's find out. Welcome back, auto enthusiasts. The Citroen C3 Aircross and Maruti Suzuki Ertiga are creating quite the buzz in the seven-seater space. From styling to performance and features, we'll break it all down for you. Let's start with the Citroen C3 Aircross. The 2025 facelift is turning heads with its bold SUV-like design, 10.25-inch infotainment screen, and Citroen Advanced Comfort suspension. But here's the real kicker. It's now available as a seven-seater. That's right, families rejoice. It also comes with a 1.2-liter turbo-petrol engine, delivering 109 bhp, making highway drive an absolute breeze. But wait, does the Ertiga's practicality outshine Citroen's French flair? Stick around to find out. Now, the tried and tested Maruti Suzuki Ertiga. This car screams practicality and reliability, with a 1.5-liter petrol engine churning out 101 bhp and an impressive mileage of 20.51 km per liter. It is perfect for those long family trips. Plus, it's one of the few seven-seaters with a CNG variant, giving you even better running costs. Still undecided? The Ertiga's spacious third row might sway you. But let's talk interiors next. Interiors and tech comparison. The C3 Aircross wows with its classy dashboard, digital instrument cluster, and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The Maruti Ertiga, on the other hand, offers practicality with its functional layout, enhanced safety with 4 airbags, and dependable infotainment system. Safety, tech, or styling? What's your priority? Let's dive into pricing and value. Here's the big one. The Citroen C3 Aircross starts at 9.99 lakh, while the Ertiga comes at a wallet-friendly 8.69 lakh. Sure, the C3 Aircross offers a more premium feel, but the Ertiga steals the show with its lower maintenance costs and impressive fuel efficiency. So, who wins this battle? Choose the Citroen C3 Aircross if you love unique styling, a plush ride, and turbocharged performance. Pick the Maruti Suzuki Ertiga if practicality, fuel savings, and affordability are what you are after. What's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. Enjoyed the comparison? Hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon for more car showdowns. See you in the next video.